Uhl Truck Sales. Since 1953, a leader in new and used commercial truck sales, service, and more throughout Indiana and Kentucky. One of 3 partners in Trivista Companies, a regional network of international truck dealerships with 10 locations across Kentucky, Indiana, Ohio, and Iowa. We're proud to be part of the team awarded the 2018 Navistar Presidential Award, the highest honor an international dealer can receive.
I think one of the great attributes to my father-in-law and my first boss, Bernard, was he was able to build a tremendous business here based on just taking care of people, doing the right thing, being honest, and being well respected in the industry.
Bernard Uhl founded the Diamond Edge certified dealership in Palmyra, Indiana with a clear vision and the drive to make that vision a reality. With several family members at his side, he grew the business, the product line, and the customer base.
Back in 1981, we saw an opportunity to both expand our capabilities and our reach in the community by forming a full-service dealership in Louisville, Kentucky. And about a decade later, we started our 3rd facility in New Albany, Indiana. Over the years, we've grown and broadened our list of services, we've cultivated new relationships with customers, and we've grown a strong team of hardworking and dedicated individuals.
I tell people all the time that one of the things that I was so proud of John was he's doing the job the 3 of us used to do.
We're a family business with 3rd-generation employees taking care of 3rd-generation customers.
The Uhl dealerships offer a full array of services, including new and used truck sales, rental and leasing, parts sales and deliveries, fully equipped service bays with certified technicians, body shop, fueling station, oil change bays, DPF filter cleaning, and mobile emergency services.
I've been here almost 20 years, and the reason I like working here as much as I do is it is like family. There's a lot of room for advancement and growth.
What I like the best about this place is the family atmosphere. It's very accommodating and very customer-centric. We go out of our way to take care of our customers, and I enjoy that.
Had a chance to meet the founder, Bernard Uhl. One of the things that he was always concerned about was keeping the customer satisfied. His thought process was, if you made the customer successful, you became successful. And it still is in the veins of a lot of us today. So we want to try to take care of the customer as best we can.
Well, I keep coming back to Uhl simply because of the relationship I have with Dallas, John, Greg, the service manager here, and as I go back, like I say, they're a real family-oriented company, and they respond to any need I have, just like I'm the #1 customer in the world. They really treat me like that. So.
For over 65 years, the Uhl family name has stood for integrity and respect. Integrity in the way we do business, respect from and for the customers who come back year after year, purchase after purchase, and respect for the dedicated employees who make it work day in and day out. Uhl Truck Sales.